Okay, so this video is doing your 40-hour work week schedule. So in your email, you have one from Karen on Friday, September the 2nd. It's this one right here that's in yellow. You need to go there first, okay? There's a whole bunch of stuff in there. Ignore everything. So these two right here are the ones that you're going to look at. Specifically, this one is the one you're going to fill out, okay? So this one is an example that Karen gave us. And this one is what hers looks like. It's just an example, okay? The point is it's writing everything down here. So like your lunch is always at the same time, your staff meeting, we have collaboration. Anyway, so there's that, just stuff. I don't know why I'm like stuttering around, just stuff. Okay, so what you're gonna do is open that up and just kind of wrap your head around it, but then get yours, double click it and open it. And so yours is going to look like this. It's going to be empty. So I know that you're like me. So the first thing you're going to do is come in here and make all of your little thingies big. That's what she said. And then once you're in here, you're going to realize that I don't think she did lunch correctly. Like it overlaps right here, and you can't fix it. Like I've tried to go up and make it go away, but it can't because our lunch is from 11:30 to 12:30. Anyway, it's not a big deal. So basically you're going to put everything in here. Okay, so like your whole day. So you already know, for example, from 9, I'm going to show you mine in a second and you can take a picture of it. But you've already, from basically 9 to 10, you're in reading in phonics, and then from 10 to 11, you're in math. At 11, you're in story time, okay? And then you'll do that for the whole week. Same thing for the afternoon. This is why I'm saying she kind of overlapped it. But anyway, 12:30 to 1:30, reading, etc., etc. All right, so here is mine, how I did it. I don't know where it is, so give me just a second. First of all, look at it. Do you see how it's labeled Mason 40-hour week? You're going to label it oral 40-hour work week or whatever, work week schedule, okay? And then that's what mine looks like. All right, my suggestion would be, because you and I pretty much have kind of the same thing. I did office hours from 3 to 4 because, girl, like we never know what's happening with kids or anything at that time. So I just put office hours, and I'm just saying that, and it's not really a lie, but like, and I've told my parents that if we need to meet, 3 is a good time. So right here, specifically at 2:30, I put ECCs, which is enduring connection calls, which is your connection calls, okay? So at 2:30, that's obviously when I go get Henry, but I can't put that on here, so I'm putting ECCs because I do make phone calls. Like that's a great time for me, like during drive time, to call. You know what? And I might change that to where it's mentor time right there, because you and I talk a lot. In fact, I'm going to do that. I'm going to change that to mentor time because that's when you and I usually do our thing, or like we are. I think I kind of just lied. Like we don't. We go off the grid. I don't know. Just put something in there. Anyway, so there's that. You've got your data dig. And then in the morning, that's kind of what we're doing. We're doing our calls. We're doing our data dig. We're catching up on emails. You can put that in there. Emails. And then you could put mentor. Because that's seriously is what we do. And then here's your day right there. And then that's pretty much it. On Friday, I mean, for real, we're working all day and it's hard to put a title on it. So just put that in there. When you're done, I don't mean to rush through this, but that's really it. So when you're done, look up here, label it oral 40-hour work week schedule. put that in an email and send it to Karen. That's due on the 16th, but it's that easy. So just as soon as you're done, send it so you don't have to worry about it. I'm going to save that. All right, and that's it.